Today I'm going to show you how to calculate age in Excel using a date div function. So go to the cell, type equal, type date div, open parenthesis, select your date, comma, type today's date function, comma, inside the inverted comma, type y, and close parenthesis, hit enter. You just send it down. For the month, type equal date div, open parenthesis, select your DOB, type today's date function, comma, and inside the inverted comma, type ym and close parenthesis, and you send it down. For day, type date div, open parenthesis, select your date of birth, type today's function, and comma, and inside the inverted comma, type md, close parenthesis, hit enter. For exact date, type equal, open parenthesis, type today's date function, minus, select your date of birth, and then divide by 365, hit enter. You send it down. For detail age, type equal, and use a concatenate function, select your year, inside the inverted comma, type years, and select your month, and type month inside the inverted comma, comma, and then select your day, comma, and inside inverted comma, type days old period and close parenthesis, hit enter. Here is the detail age, send it down. So in summary, we using ddiff function, we calculate the year, month, day, exact age, and detail age. Thank you for watching.